Are you feeling stuck? Do you want to improve your life but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Many people face challenges that hold them back. But there's hope. Our program offers you a clear path to success. Transform your mindset and unlock your true potential. Enjoy 3 key benefits. 1. Personalized coaching tailored to your needs. 2. 24/7 support to keep you motivated. 3. Proven strategies that deliver real results. What makes us different? We prioritize your success with a community that uplifts you. Don't wait. Take the first step towards your dreams today. Sign up now and start your transformation.